Hello, and welcome back to another helpful and exciting video on English with Altaf. I'm Ikra, and I'm really happy to be here with you today.
And I'm Altaf. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very simple but useful topic: how to describe a typical school day in English.
Yes, this is something every student experiences, and learning how to describe your school day is a great way to practice English speaking, improve your vocabulary, and get more confident in expressing your routine.
That's right. We'll show you step by step how to talk about your school day, from the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed. And we'll do it using easy sentences that anyone can understand.
So, let's begin. Altaf, can you start by describing your morning?
Sure. My typical school day starts early in the morning. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. I get out of bed, brush my teeth, and take a quick shower. After that, I wear my school uniform and get ready for breakfast. My mother makes a light breakfast, usually an egg sandwich or paratha with tea.
Sounds like a good start. I also wake up around 6:30 a.m. I take a shower, get dressed in my school uniform, and have breakfast with my family. Sometimes I eat cereal and sometimes bread with butter. After breakfast, I pack my school bag and make sure I have all my books, notebooks, and stationery.
That's great. After breakfast, I leave for school around 7:30 a.m. I either go by school van or sometimes my father drops me. It takes about 20 minutes to reach school. On the way, I enjoy looking outside the window and sometimes talk to my friends in the van.
I usually go to school by bus. I enjoy talking to my friends during the ride. We sometimes revise our homework or share jokes. It makes the ride fun and relaxing. I reach school around 7:50 a.m. and go straight to the assembly area.
Right. School starts with the morning assembly. We all line up class-wise. The assembly includes a prayer, the national anthem, and sometimes a short speech or important announcement from the principal.
After the assembly, we go to our classrooms. Our first period starts at 8:15 a.m. Usually it's English or math. The teacher comes in, takes attendance, and starts the lesson. I enjoy English the most because I like learning new words and speaking in English.
Yes, English is my favorite subject too. In our English class, we read stories, do grammar exercises, and sometimes practice speaking. After that, we have science or social studies. Each period is about 40 minutes long. I try to focus on the lesson and take notes in my notebook.
During science class, I get really interested, especially when the teacher explains things with diagrams or experiments. After 2 or 3 periods, we get a short break. It's around 10:15 a.m. During break time, I eat a snack and talk to my classmates. It's a fun time to relax and refresh.
Exactly. During break time, I usually eat a sandwich or some fruit. Sometimes I buy something from the school canteen. After the break, we go back to class for more subjects like Urdu, Islamiyat, or computer science. I find computer class very interesting because I enjoy using the computer and learning about technology.
Same here. I love computer class too. We sometimes go to the computer lab and learn typing, PowerPoint, and even coding basics. After more lessons, we have lunch break around 12:30 p.m. It lasts about 30 minutes. I usually bring lunch from home, like rice or pasta.
For lunch, I bring homemade food too. Sometimes I have chicken biryani, sometimes sandwiches. I sit with my friends under the big tree in the school courtyard. We eat, talk, and laugh together. It's one of my favorite times of the day.
After lunch, we have 2 or 3 more periods. Sometimes these are art, physical education, or library time. I really enjoy art class because we can be creative and use colors to express ourselves. Library time is also peaceful. We read quietly, and the librarian helps us find good books.
Physical education is one of my favorites. We go to the playground and play games like football or cricket. Playing helps us stay healthy and energetic. Around 2 p.m., the last bell rings and school ends for the day.
Yes, when the final bell rings, we all pack our bags and get ready to go home. We say goodbye to our teachers and friends. I take the bus again, and by 2:30 p.m., I reach home. I take some rest, eat something light, and then start doing my homework.
When I get home, I change out of my uniform and rest for a bit. Then I freshen up and sit down to study. I try to finish my homework before evening. Sometimes I watch a little TV or help my siblings with their homework too.
In the evening, I like to go out for a walk or play badminton with my cousin. After that, I come home, eat dinner with my family, and prepare my bag for the next day. I also set my alarm for the morning before going to bed.
My evening routine is quite similar. After dinner, I spend a few minutes reading or sometimes talking to my parents about the day. I go to bed around 10 p.m. to get enough rest for the next school day.
So, this is how a typical school day looks for many students like us. From waking up early, attending classes, learning different subjects, to spending time with friends, every part of the day teaches us something.
Yes, and being able to describe your school day in English is a great way to practice daily routine vocabulary and sentence structure. It also helps you talk confidently about your life.
In this video, we learned how to describe a typical school day using simple and easy English sentences. We covered everything: morning routine, school classes, break times, favorite subjects, lunch, and evening routine.
We hope this video helps you speak better English and gives you the confidence to describe your day in detail. Don't forget to pause the video, repeat the sentences, and try making your own version at home.
Thank you so much for watching today's video on English with Altaf. Keep practicing and improving every day.
See you in the next video. Take care and keep learning. Goodbye.
Goodbye.